You're scrolling YouTube, thumb moving automatically, not really looking for anything. And then one thumbnail stops you cold, a Stickman. A simple, hand-drawn Stickman with 7.5 million views. You tap it, no fancy animation, no 3D characters, no cinematic visuals, not even video clips. Just still images of stick figures one after another, stitched together into a full video. That's it. Static images, stick figures, 7.5 million views. You go to the channel, 14 videos, 137,000 subscribers, 14.5 million total views, with the first video published just 2 months ago. You sit up. One thought hits you. If a Stickman channel can do this in 2 months, why can't I? You open your laptop, you try to build the workflow, but you hit a wall at the very first step. You don't know how to write a script that people actually want to watch, and every AI tool that can help requires a paid subscription. You close the laptop. That Stickman channel just crossed another 1 million views while you're still at 0. I know that feeling exactly, because I was sitting in the same place. Until I built a complete, free workflow that creates these videos from script to final upload. No paid tools, no design skills, just a system that works. But before we dive in, there's one thing you need. Not 5 tools, not a paid subscription, not a complicated setup, just one prompt. I spent weeks engineering and optimizing this specifically for this workflow. It's in the pinned comment below. Copy it, then open Claude AI on the free plan. That's all you need. You can see I'm on the free plan right now. Paste the prompt and watch what happens next. Claude doesn't just give you one idea, it gives you 5. 5 viral topic ideas, each one engineered to explode if you follow this workflow completely. Pick your number, hit send. What comes back will surprise you. Not just a script, a complete long-form video script, anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes ready to use. And it doesn't stop there. Claude automatically creates a text file you can download instantly. Now, before we move to the next step, I need to stop you. Because what I'm about to tell you is the single most important thing in this entire video. Most creators follow this workflow. Write script, create text-to-image prompts for each scene, generate scenes, create voiceover, then try to sync everything together. It's completely wrong. And if you've been doing this, it's exactly why your videos aren't exploding. Here's the problem. When you generate scenes first and create the voiceover second, you're forcing 2 things together that were never built for each other. You're not creating rhythm, you're creating a collision. And viewers feel that collision, even if they can't explain why they clicked away. The correct workflow is the opposite. Voiceover first, scenes second, always. Here's why. Look at this voiceover. You can hear the natural pauses between sentences. That pause at 1 second, 12 frames, that's where scene 1 ends. The next pause at 3 seconds, 18 frames, scene 2 ends there. 6 seconds, 7 frames, scene 3. 8 seconds, 11 frames, scene 4. 12 seconds, 16 frames, scene 5. Every scene is born from a pause. Not forced, not guessed, not synced after the fact, built around the natural rhythm of the voice. This is why that Stickman channel crossed 7.5 million views with still images. Not because of fancy tools, not because of better graphics, because of rhythm. And rhythm starts with the voiceover. Get this right, and everything else falls into place. Now let's build the voiceover. Copy your complete script, then visit ElevenLabs on the free plan, 10,000 credits every month. That's all you need. Go to Voices in the left sidebar, search for Ronak. You'll see it. Viral, relatable, real voice. Add it to your library. Now go to Text-to-Speech in the left sidebar, make sure Ronak is selected. Paste your complete script, hit Generate and download the audio. Your voiceover is ready. Now comes the part that separates this workflow from every other tutorial you've watched. Remember, voiceover first, scenes second. But how do you know exactly where each scene should start and end? That's where most creators guess. You're not going to guess. Visit FoziScribe, the link is in the description. Sign up and log in. The free account gives you 10 minutes of AI credit. Once that runs out, create another free account and keep going. Upload your voiceover file. You'll see 2 modes, fast and accuracy. Choose accuracy, every frame matters here. Click Transcribe Audio and watch what it does. It doesn't just transcribe your words, it finds every pause in your audio, every single one with exact timestamps. Pause at 2 seconds, pause at 4 seconds, pause at 7 seconds. Now you don't need to guess where scenes begin and end, the voiceover tells you exactly. And it works in any language, Hindi, English, Urdu, this workflow handles all of them. Download the timestamp script or simply copy it, go back to your Claude AI conversation, paste the full timestamp script and hit send. Claude now generates a detailed text-to-image prompt for every single timestamped line. It works in batches. When the first batch is done, type next and keep going until every line has a prompt. Once all prompts are ready, Claude will ask if you want a text file. Type yes. Within seconds, a complete prompt file is ready to download. Every scene, every timestamp, every prompt in one file. Now it's time to bring these prompts to life. Copy the prompt for scene 1, visit Flow Google and create a new project. If agent mode is already on, turn it off. Select image mode. Select Nano Banana 2 as your image model. This model gives you the best results without hitting generation limits. Paste scene 1's prompt and hit send. Within seconds, scene 1 is ready. You can repeat this manually for every scene, but with 100 plus scenes, that process will take hours. There's a faster way, a completely free faster way. Go to Google and search Zapi Flow Chrome extension. Open the first Chrome Web Store link. You'll find the extension I personally built for you, completely free and free forever. One important thing, make sure the developer name says Zapawala. This protects you from fake or duplicate versions. Add it to Chrome, pin it, and launch it. Now follow these steps carefully. Go to Google Flow, open a new project, and turn agent mode off. You'll see 2 messages in the extension confirming the connection to Google Flow and that agent mode is off. That means everything is ready. Set up Flow for bulk generation. Select image mode. Set the model to Nano Banana 2. Now paste all your prompts into the prompt box with 1 line break between each. This is important. You can copy all the prompts directly or upload the prompt text file you downloaded earlier. You'll see in this example 103 prompts loaded. Set your download folder, click Autosave Settings, and make sure the first option is turned off. Go back to Flow, adjust the random delay if you'd like, or leave it as is, then hit Generate. This is where the magic happens. The extension starts generating every single image and downloading them one by one automatically. And here's the best part, you don't have to watch it. Switch tabs, open another Chrome profile, minimize the window. It keeps running in the background. No more staring at a screen waiting. Just keep one rule, do not close the tab, the browser, or the extension. Everything else, you're free. Once complete, you'll see the result. In our example, 103 prompts executed, 102 images generated successfully. 1 failed, scene 15 at the 39-second timestamp. Don't worry, generate that one manually using the same process. And just like that, all 103 scenes are ready. Now comes the part that ties everything together. Editing. Open your favorite video editor and import the voiceover file. Drag it to the timeline, then import all your scene images and drag them to the timeline in the correct sequence. Here's how you sync them perfectly. Look at the file name of each scene. It tells you the exact timestamp where it starts. If the next scene starts at 4 seconds, move your playhead to exactly 4 seconds and trim from the right. If the next scene starts at 7 seconds, move the playhead to 7 seconds and trim again. Sometimes you'll need to adjust the playhead slightly, that's normal. Take your time here. This is the step that creates the rhythm. This is what made that Stickman channel cross 7.5 million views. Follow this process for every single scene. Once done, do a full preview. Watch it from the beginning, feel the rhythm. If it feels right, export the video. Now it's time to make it go viral. Head back to Claude AI, you'll see it's already asking whether you want to generate metadata. Type yes. Within seconds, you'll have a viral title, viral description, and viral tags, all generated specifically for your video. But we still need one more thing, a thumbnail that stops the scroll. Type this prompt, ask for 5 high CTR thumbnail prompts for your video, with 1 line break between each, and ask Claude to provide them in a copyable code block. Copy all 5 prompts, go to the Zapi extension, paste the prompts, set your download folder, and hit Generate. 5 thumbnails, 1 click, done. Now go to your YouTube channel, upload your video. Use the viral metadata Claude generated. Pick your strongest thumbnail and publish. You just built a complete Stickman doodle video. From a blank page to a published YouTube video, using nothing but free AI tools. No paid subscriptions, no design skills, no team. Just you, this workflow, and a system that works. If this video just saved you hours of frustration and hundreds of dollars in tools, do one simple thing for me, hit the subscribe button right now. Every week on Finanium, I break down exactly how to build income streams online using free practical systems like this one. You don't want to miss what's coming next. The link is right below this video. 1 click and you're in. I'll see you in the next one.